In this video, we'll walk you through the back-in-stock notification feature in Evlop, so your customers never miss out when a sold-out product becomes available again. We're at the Evlop mobile app landing page. And now let's go to the Features page. We're at the Features page. And here, we can see the back-in-stock notification feature. Enable the feature with the Enable button. Once active, customers will see an option to subscribe to restock alerts on sold-out product pages. And when a product is out of stock, customers can tap to subscribe to a notification. They'll be alerted automatically the moment it's back. With a configuration option, you can customize a notification message that the user can see while the product is restocked. First, let's look at the notification title. This is the headline your customer sees on their lock screen. By using the product name variable inside double curly brackets, the app automatically inserts the specific name of the item that has been restocked. This immediate personalization makes it clear exactly what the alert is about. You definitely can customize the notification title, but make sure the product name variable inside double curly brackets is intact. Next, you can customize the notification body to add more detail. Here, the available quantity variable is a powerful tool. It pulls the live inventory count from your Shopify store and displays the exact number of units back in stock. Showing the remaining quantity creates a natural sense of urgency, encouraging your customers to act fast before the item sells out again. Actually, it is your choice whether to display the restocked product quantity. That's how easy it is to set up automated restock alerts. Personalizing your back-in-stock notification title and body ensures your customers get the right information at the right time. Keep your customers in the loop and never lose a sale to a stockout again. Install Evlop to get started.